I stopped here in Amarillo at this rest area. I'm going to make myself a cup of coffee. With my new coffee pot on the inverter. Just part of testing out these new batteries. I've done this already 4 or 5 times, but I haven't filmed it yet, just to show you guys that running this little coffee pot just doesn't even put a dent in the battery. So it's pretty cool to be able to have this. Got my inverter. Well, I haven't turned it on yet, but I'm plugged in from my shore power to my inverter. And then when I turn on my inverter, it'll convert the 12 volt battery power to 120 volt, the 110 outlet here, where I can run my coffee pot. So check it out. All right, got my Tully's House Blend in my little 650 watt Mr. Coffee. It's a 5 cup. Got 5 cups of water in there. Turn on the inverter. All right, brew now. Let this thing go. You can see it's dropping the battery down while it's running. We'll check it when it's done here. It's starting to brew. Turned it on at 12:24, and I'll check the time when it's all done, so I can let you know how long it takes to brew a 5 cup pot. All right, it's 12:28. Been going a couple minutes here at the rest area, and the batteries, while it's running, the battery's kind of settled at about 12.28. You can see that, 12.28. And it's just about done brewing. All right, 12:30. It's done brewing. I turned off the coffee pot, and we'll see this thing recover. You can see it quickly jumps back up. So these batteries are, you know, the golf cart batteries, and they're really better for hard hits like that, and they have a good recovery time. So I'll get this cup doctored up the way I like it, and get back on the road, heading to Wichita Falls. All right, so I got a cup in my Yeti. This is I got about 16 ounces in here, 18 ounces. And then the other 18 ounces or so I put in my Stanley thermos. Put that in the cab with me, so got another cup if I want to, you know, pull over and just pour a quick cup of coffee on the side of the road.